Enjoy yourself. मज़े करो. Don't worry about anything. Just go out and enjoy yourself. Put on. पहन लो. Please put on your jacket before going outside. It's cold. Find him. उसे ढूंढो. We need to find him before he gets into more trouble. Keep left. बाएं रखो. When driving on the highway, remember to keep left unless overtaking. Take off. उतार दो. Before you board the plane, please fasten your seat belt for takeoff. Ask her. उससे पूछो. Ask her if she is available for a meeting tomorrow. Stop this. इसे रोको. Stop this nonsense immediately. Now read. अब पढ़ो. Sure. What would you like me to read? Bring food. खाना लाओ. I'll bring some food to the picnic tomorrow. Just now. बस अभी अभी. I just now finished reading the latest chapter of my favorite book. Ask yourself. खुद से पूछो. Ask yourself what truly matters to you before making any big decisions. Run away. भाग जाओ. Running away from problems doesn't solve them. It just postpones dealing with them. Watch out. ध्यान से. Watch out for the slippery floor after it rains. Not well. ठीक नहीं. The patient is not well and needs immediate medical attention.